Hi, welcome to Anne's Digital Kitchen. Now I'm going to make something which is really popular at our classes, and we do it in great big pictures, but actually you don't need to have a huge picture, you can just have a nice tall glass. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a raspberry mint seltzer using frozen raspberries and some mint, which I'm just going to pull some mint leaves off of here and just roll them in my hand a little bit to bruise them, and then just pour some seltzer on top. Now if you want it sweeter, I like my things a little bit, you can just put a drizzle of agave nectar in there. And here you have yourself a really nice, refreshing club soda. Put a bit of ice in there. You don't need too much because the raspberries were already frozen. And what's great about this is that you can keep topping it up and you're still going to get a lot of flavor. And if you don't like, if you don't want things too sweet, you can leave out the agave nectar entirely, and you'll just get really delicious seltzer with a hint of raspberry. Enjoy!